Here are three NGX stocks that you should consider adding to your portfolio this week, either as a long-term investment or short-term investment. So I'm just going to be going through them as quick as possible. But let me say this quickly as a disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. It's just for educational purpose. So three NGX stocks you should consider this week. So before you take any action, make sure you do your own proper analysis and do all your necessary consideration before buying any of these three NGS stocks. Now, so whether you're building a long-term wealth or trading short-term, these three stocks are worth your attention this week. So if you want to build a long-term investment or a short-term trading, these three stocks are very fundamental if you want to trade. Like I said earlier, it's just a financial advice. All right, so let's go through them quickly so we see these stocks and the possibility of them. Now, how to use this stock pick. This is very important. How to use what I'm about to say in this video. Like I've said, it is not a financial advice, but just for educational purposes. Okay, just for educational purposes. Now, so these are not buy signals, they are just informed suggestion based on current NGX data. So it's not a buying signal or a buy signal. It's just based on informed suggestion based on current NGX data. The two strategies apply here: long-term investment or short-term trading. If you want to buy and hold, it's advisable. If you want to buy maybe by the beginning of the week and sell it by weekend, it is also advisable. Now, long-term, you buy and hold for months or years, collecting dividends and capital growth. Short-term, you buy at current price and sell when it hits the target price for quick profit. So it's also advisable. Now, each stock below has a current price and a target price. The gap between them is your opportunity. So based on the recommendation we're going to be giving on this video, we are talking about the current price and the target price. Now you should know that this is not guaranteed. It is actually not guaranteed. It's just based on speculation. We are saying this. So before you take any action, I'm emphasizing on this, it's very important. Before you take any action, make sure you do your own due diligence before you take any action. So always invest only on what you can afford to keep in the market. Okay, always invest on what you can afford to keep in the market. Don't put your money or an amount of money into the market when you can keep it. It's very, very important. All right, so the first stock on our list here this morning is Cadbury Nigeria. So Cadbury Nigeria, the sector is based on consumer goods. Current price right now is actually 70.90 naira. The targeted price is 86.80. That is approximately 22% increase within basically the week, or actually the week. All right, so upside approximately 22% gain from current price. So now if you perhaps you buy by this Tuesday, as of the time you're recording this video, where the price is 70.90, you are expected to make at least 86.80 within the week runs out, before the week runs out actually. So you should understand that this is just approximation. We are approximating it, so there's no guarantee that it will actually get to 22%. Okay, so now if you buy 1,000 shares today at 70.90, you spend 70,900 naira to get it. If price hit 86.80, your 1,000 shares are worth 86.80. That means you'll be making a 15,900 percentage profit on a single position. So that's a capital growth. We're not talking about the dividends. It's just based on capital growth. So if you want to buy now, you can buy, trade, and sell it back on Friday, right? So why Cadbury Nigeria is worth watching? Why is this stock worth watching? Now, Cadbury is one of Nigeria's most recognized consumer brands. Tom Tom, Bonvita, and Buttermint are all products from Cadbury. That means these are consumable goods. Citizens or consumers prefer using these products on daily basis. They buy it consciously or unconsciously, right? So consumer goods companies sells product Nigerians buy regardless of economic condition. Regardless of the economic condition, citizens must eat. consumers must eat, right? So you should know that there's a possibility of this stock to perform well. There's a possibility. Now, recent financial results shows improving revenue as the company adjusts pricing to inflation. These are just some simple reasons why you should consider adding Cadbury to your portfolio. Now, the stock 2 here is AIICO Insurance PLC. The current price right now is actually 4.17 naira. The targeted price is actually 5.84. Potential upside approximately 24% gain from current price. If you buy 10,000 shares today at 4.70 naira, you will spend 47,000 to get it. So if the price hits 5.84, your 10,000 shares are worth 58.40. Profit is 11,400 in capital appreciation. Note, this is not guaranteed, but there's a possibility of it to do that way. So we are trying to be as fast as possible. Now the next one, or the last one here, is MTN Nigeria. This is a very blue chip stock that has been performing very well earlier this year. Now, sector is telecom industry. Current price is 820. Targeted price is 1,019.31 naira. So the potential upside here is also 22% gain from the current price. If you buy 500 shares today at 820, you spend 4,010 naira to acquire it. And if your price hits 1,019 naira, your 1,000 share are worth 509,500. Profit is 99,500 naira on a single purchase. So now, reasons why you should consider these MTN. These are MTN is one of the major product people use often. Everyday people buy that. Everyday people buy airtime on daily basis. So there's a potential here that this stock will actually do well. MTN is a necessity. The network is a necessity to Nigerians. All right, so there's a possibility that it will actually do well. Now, so target price are projection, not guaranteed. So just know this. These are projection, not guarantees. Market can move against you. Always invest what you can leave untouched, or also invest what you afford. You can also be able to lose also. So target price are just projection, not guaranteed. This is very important. So that's it. Those are the 3 stocks we've just considered this that you can add to your portfolio this week. Invest in long term or just a short term trading. All right, so that's all. So subscribe to our channel in case you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the subsequent videos. Thank you.